Is the development of AI spiraling out of control? Tech leaders like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak are calling for an immediate pause. But why? Let's explore the research behind their plea and what it could mean for the future of AI. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to AI Allies. Today, we're diving into a topic that has sent shockwaves through the AI community and stirred up some genuine concern. That's right, we're talking about the recent open letter calling for a pause in AI development. This letter, signed by tech visionaries like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak, is a wake-up call to the world, emphasizing the potential dangers of uncontrolled AI growth and the urgent need for regulation. Are we on the brink of a future where machines take over, dominating every aspect of our lives? Could this be the start of a sci-fi dystopia that we've only seen in movies? The stakes are high, and it's time to separate fact from fiction. So buckle up, and let's explore the reasons behind this bold call to action and what it means for the future of artificial intelligence. We'll also discuss expert opinions on this pressing issue and the potential consequences if we don't take action now. And as always, if you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech news that keeps you informed and engaged and on the edge of your seat. And my typical fun jokes here and there. I only know 25 letters in the alphabet. I don't know why. Let's kick things off with the main concerns raised in the open letter. Now, you might think that these tech leaders are just worried about an AI uprising like Skynet from the Terminator movies, but their concerns are much more grounded in reality. The signatories argue that AI development poses risks to job automation, so, robots taking over our jobs, which isn't as funny as it sounds, and even potentially the loss of control over civilization. Yeah, but who's worried about little old civilization anyway, right? They stress the importance of independent review before training future systems because nobody wants an AI system that decides to turn your smart fridge into a not-so-smart icebox. On a serious note, the letter highlights the need to limit the rate of compute growth for creating new models, ensuring that we don't unleash a digital Frankenstein's monster on the world. As a first step, the letter calls for an immediate 6-month halt to the development of AI systems more powerful than ChatGPT-4. After all, nobody wants to accidentally build an AI that can outsmart us all, or worse, an AI that starts telling better dad jokes than us humans. Speaking of, where does a fish keep its money? In the riverbank. Alright, so first up, let's talk job automation. As AI systems continue to evolve and improve, they're becoming capable of performing tasks that used to be exclusively done by humans. While this can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about widespread job displacement, leaving many people unemployed and struggling to adapt to a rapidly changing job market. Next up is the loss of control over civilization. This might sound like science fiction or a Sid Meier's game, but it's a genuine concern among experts. If AI systems become too powerful and autonomous, there's a risk that they could make decisions that don't align with human values or even act against our best interests. Imagine a world where AI systems control everything from finance to military operations, and if something goes wrong, the consequences could be catastrophic. Have you seen iRobot? To address these concerns, the signatories of the open letter emphasize the importance of independent review before training future systems. This means having a panel of experts evaluate and assess the potential risks and benefits of new AI tech, ensuring that proper safety measures are in place before they're unleashed on the world. Now, on top of that, they're also calling for a cap on the rate of compute growth, which is the computing ability required to learn, adjust, and perform human-like tasks for all new models. By limiting the resources used for AI development, we can prevent an out-of-control race to create ever more powerful digital minds that no one can understand or control. Imagine Tamagotchis gone horribly, horribly wrong. Limiting AI growth? That's a pretty bold move. So let's dig a little deeper and find out what's making all of these signatories so concerned. So now that we've covered the main concerns, let's see who's backing this open letter and what they have to say about it. We're talking big names in AI research and leadership from organizations like OpenAI and DeepMind. We've got Stuart Russell, Joshua Bengio, Max Tegmark, and many others supporting this call to action. Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak have also expressed concerns about AI development and alignment difficulties in various interviews and conferences. When people like this speak up, you know it's time to pay attention. Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI, and Ilya Satsvatsky, a leading AI researcher, have shared their thoughts as well. They're voicing concerns about the risks of AI development, especially when it comes to alignment. That means making sure that AI systems actually do what we want them to do without causing unintended harm. And let me tell you, that's a real challenge. They argue that as AI systems become more powerful and autonomous, ensuring their safety and alignment with human values becomes increasingly more difficult. Another key aspect mentioned by these experts is the potential for an AI arms race. As countries and companies compete to develop the most advanced AI technologies, the pressure to outpace rivals might lead to cutting corners on safety precautions. This could result in the deployment of AI systems that haven't been properly vetted, posing a significant risk to society. I mean, just think about it for a second, folks. Look at how much the world changed because of the space race. What do you think an AI arms race would do to civilization as we know it? Now, on the flip side, there are some voices in the AI community who believe that a pause in development might actually hinder progress and impede valuable innovation. They argue that while there are risks associated with AI, there are also immense potential benefits, such as improved healthcare, climate change solutions, and advancement in scientific research. Nonetheless, the consensus among the signatories of the open letter is that it's time for the AI community to come together, take a step back, and really think about the direction AI is heading. Because that's always worked in the past, right? It is, however, a crucial moment for everyone involved in the field, and it could potentially shape the future of AI development in a big way. By fostering collaboration and open dialogue, researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders can work together to create a responsible and safe AI ecosystem, or Skynet. But hey, what do you think about this whole situation? Do you agree with these tech leaders? Are you concerned about the potential risks of AI development, or do you believe the benefits outweigh the dangers? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty folks, let's shift gears and start talking about a crucial aspect highlighted in the open letter. We're going to talk about the need for coordination and reflection. The signatories of the letter stress that it's a high time for the AI community to hit the pause button, take a collective breath, and reflect on the existential risks posed by AI technology. They emphasize the importance of cooperation between researchers, organizations, and governments in addressing potential dangers and ensuring responsible AI development. Now, this is where things really start to get interesting. Imagine AI research labs worldwide joining forces, sharing insights, and working collaboratively to build a safer and more ethical AI landscape. This unified approach could potentially lead to groundbreaking innovations that benefit humanity as a whole while mitigating the risks associated with AI. We're talking about a future where AI-driven technologies are designed with safety, transparency, and ethics at the forefront, ensuring that the potential harms are minimized and the benefits are maximized for everyone. But it's not just about the big players coming together. In order to achieve this vision, we also need a global conversation that includes diverse perspectives from policymakers and ethicists to educators and the public at large. By fostering open dialogue and encouraging the exchange of ideas, we can build a more comprehensive understanding of the implications of AI on society, the environment, and the economy. And this is where you come into play, my dear viewer. We want to hear your thoughts on this pivotal topic. Do you think that the AI community should prioritize coordination and reflection? Or do you believe that the current pace of AI development should continue without a pause? Let us know in the comments section below. Your opinions matter, and we love engaging with you on these critical issues. Plus, who knows? Your input might just spark the next big idea that shapes the future of AI. Alrighty, friends. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's essential to remember that understanding the risks and benefits of AI development is crucial for the future of our society. The open letter signed by Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, and other tech leaders really highlights the need for a pause to reflect on the direction AI is heading and the potential consequences of unchecked progress. The call for coordination, reflection, and responsible AI development is a reminder that we should work together to ensure that AI technology benefits humanity without compromising our safety or values. So, we encourage you to explore the research and opinions around AI development to form your own views on this critical issue. As always, thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on the call to pause AI development. Do you think it's well-founded, or are the tech giants really just trying to protect their bottom lines? Your engagement helps our community grow and fosters meaningful discussions about the future of AI. Until next time, stay informed and stay connected.